the biggest question is how to determine the will of God for my life. At yan po ang ating sasagutin. Meron pong ilang mga kailangan nating gawin upang atin pong maalaman ang kalooban ng Panginoon. Unang-una, mga kapatid, ay be willing and surrendered. Ibig sabihin, you are to be willing to do God's will. Ang sabi po ng John 7:17, if anyone wants to do His will or God's will, he shall know concerning the doctrine, whether it is from God or whether I speak on my own authority. Ang sabi po ni Paul, mga kapatid, God will let you know His will. If you are truly willing to do it once, you know what it is. Kaya nga po, if you are going to know or determine the will of God, kailangan po munang willing tayong ito'y maalaman, at kung maalaman natin, ay atin pong gagawin.